Hello guys, today is June 27 and the day is almost ended, and ideally the 2021 students were supposed to give the UPSC prelims today. So were you actually ready, or just because exam got postponed by 3 months you stopped your studies completely, or you had a totally different strategy? So different people will have different things going on. Maybe some people even got affected because of this COVID situation, or maybe say any other problem. But I'm sure 99% of the students will not be ready. Okay, even we, if you ask, the test series, we were supposed to close the batches and all a few days back, and 2021 all the tests should have been given, but we kept on hold few of the tests like the final full test, then one or two subject tests are there. Okay, but all the current affairs till May month and all, everything is done, but some tests are pending. Okay, so we also pushed it little bit, so like that you also would have got a new timetable, a new vision, but hope it's continuing. Okay, if you are not able to do that and you are feeling less motivated, I thought we'll do a video. Okay, so if it's 2022 23, whichever aspirant, you can watch this video. Okay, so we'll discuss certain things, but this is a poll first, which you have to look. 1 week ago, which we did, more than 570 people voted. We can take it as a sample size. So if you see the result, okay, it's like yet to give first attempt, attempted but never cleared prelims. So this itself is more than 90%. Okay, so more than 90% people have problem with prelims itself. Okay, and that happens across the country also. If you take the full sample size, the 10 lakh aspirants in this country, 90% plus people would not have ever cleared prelims. Okay, so first you have to focus on that. Many students immediately jump into optionals and that thing and this thing, and focus too much on that, thinking like prelims I will anyway clear. But when you start solving test series, or when you start looking previous year papers, you understand that you are not able to solve anything. Okay, even after studying for maybe one full year, or maybe if you are a veteran student, still you are not able to do. So some problem is there, right? So that is where you have to follow a model or listen to a mentor when they tell something. Okay, everything which is done for the students has to be followed consistently. Okay, one example I tell you, when we started the daily quiz series, which completed yesterday. Okay, because it was targeted for this prelims today. So 50 days, May 8th, I started this. So see the view count, 80 views. The first episode, if you take, it will be more than 800 views, 10 times more than that. Then it became 600, 400, 200. By the end of that 50th day, you will come up with only this much views. Okay, so what is the point is that those 80 people who would have seen all the episodes, okay, till date, they are the ones who are actually going to clear this exam. Maybe not this year, maybe next year, but they are the ones who have the potential, okay, who have the capacity, or who have the interest or the passion, which you call that I definitely need to clear UPSC. They are the ones who know that maybe these questions, it's very easy, I can solve only 5 questions this person is teaching only each day. What is the point? One day later I will see it in like one shot. That kind of thoughts is not there among these people, and they are every day 10 o'clock coming and watching this. Okay, and this is not the only channel, they'll be following maybe 10 15 channels. So if you have been doing that, only then you will be clearing this exam. So about such consistency, discipline, those are the points which I'm going to talk here. Okay, so if you are interested, only listen, else it's okay, you need not watch this video. There is nothing else take away from this. This is for those students who are badly thinking to clear UPSC but are lacking certain things. Okay, so certain quotes, maybe it will help you. We keep posting it in our Instagram and YouTube all the time. So only people who do things differently, okay, that is the gist of this quote. You would have already heard this quote about this eagle. So whoever does something which others don't do, okay, they are the ones who are going to win any race, any battle which you are going to participate in. Okay, and about goals, you are not going to get any support. Okay, don't think like someone will be sitting with you throughout the year and going on motivating you. Only the first moment when you tell someone that I'm preparing for UPSC, I want to become an IAS, IPS, they'll be very proud about you and tell some big dialogues, and wow, you are studying for UPSC, you will become IAS, you will be like which nobody else has done. Just for first 2-3 days they will tell. After that, nobody cares. Okay, you yourself will be your only motivator. You have to clap for yourself. You have to be like consistent. You have to be the one who lift you up. If you are demotivated, nobody is going to support you. Okay, first itself have that in mind. Okay, because there are many people, when I put that depression video yesterday also, many people told, sir, I go through this, nobody supports me, nobody helps me. Why should anybody support you? You becoming an IPS, it's your thing. You becoming an IAS, it's your thing. Nobody cares about what you become. Okay, people will be only there with the winners. They don't care with what the strugglers are doing. Okay, so you have to, if there is a wake up time, consistently do that, 5 a.m., 4 a.m., 6 a.m., or if it's like even 10 o'clock in the morning, and night maybe you sit late, that's also fine. But that you have to do consistently. Okay, I'll show you 10-15 pointers later, but these are just quotes which actually has a meaning only if you follow it. Else it's just pictures, okay, in Facebook, social media, which people share with each other, just simple pictures. But if that quote actually you follow in life, then it becomes meaningful. Okay, always run for knowledge. When we did videos in Vysh courses also in the new channel, we know that people are not going to watch it. Still, every day we put so that at least that 80 to 100 people who want some knowledge in the right way, they get benefited. So every day I'm doing it. Okay, that channel is not even monetized. That channel, we don't have any gain out of it. Okay, but we are doing that day in and day out so that people get knowledge, that too, which every channel is covering. There are hundreds of YouTube channels doing the same topic. Like today we did the Jammu terrorist attack, the drone attack. That is already done by hundreds of channels in YouTube already. Still we did it because there are some students who like to listen my version of it. Okay, so we will continue to support. You also have to contribute back by actually following them. Okay, actually taking that to you and studying every day. So now, how much ever you are intelligent, talented or smart, if you lack discipline, then you cannot clear UPSC. Okay, maybe you are feeling bad, but I'm telling this because that is what experience tells us. Okay, dealing with students, this is what will happen. And you cannot debate on this point, okay, whatever we are telling. You cannot pass UPSC by randomly watching some free videos. Like today you will search, like today I will feel like doing world history, I will search, okay, some 4-5 videos are there, fine, I will do, over. After that, you don't care like whether that person uploads the next video or not, or maybe we'll hope that somebody else will do, or I'll go and steal somebody else's materials. Now all coaching materials are being thrown on Telegram channels. Okay, that is the, like, I don't know, the cheapest way of teaching people. In monetary wise also, in ethical wise also, that is actually cheap. Okay, what they do, they are stealing coaching materials and then throwing it on students free of cost, or maybe they're charging money also for that in a like very small profit. So these kind of things is not going to help you clear prelims. Okay, you have to study the original textbook. You have to do the basic thing, which as I told in my foundational videos, it's already given. Okay, newspapers, magazines, everything, if it's not consistent, you are not going to pass. Okay, definite schedule which covers everything in the syllabus, whether it's prelims, mains, optional, CSAT. Your timetable of 1 year should have everything. That is why we always give a 365 timetable, a day timetable in the starting of the year. And as the months progress, we make it 200 days, 100 days, 50 days, even last 30 days and all, we have given timetable sometimes. Okay, so this time also now for 2021, 120-day timetable is going on, out of which 15 days are over. Now I think 104 days are left if you count from today. Okay, so 10 factors which will help you clear the prelims or UPSC in a whole. First thing is dream made into a plan. Okay, dream anyone can have. Like anybody can tell, like a small child can tell, I want to become a police officer, I want to become that. Anyone can tell. But if you have a plan of that dream, only then you will clear. Determination. You should be determined that this is my only goal, this is my only focus, I will not be distracted by any other things. Discipline. As I told, you should have a day in and day out schedule, and that should be followed consistently. Okay, there are people who make a plan, but every 5 months, or every, not 5 months, maybe 1 month, they change the plan again because you are not able to follow it, because you are not consistent. So consistency is also key. Then confidence that what you make, okay, once you finalize a plan, then after that some other student or some other aspirant will show you some other thing, then you will think like, okay, his plan is better, I will follow that. If you do that, if you don't have confidence on yourself or your plan or your mentor, then again you are not going to pass this exam. Hard work. People tell like do smart work, don't do hard work, but this exam involves a lot of hard work. You have to read, okay, like economic survey and all, it's a very complicated document, but still there are people who sit and read every line. Okay, maybe they watch free videos also which YouTube is giving or coaching classes given, but still they go and open the PDF and read what it is. Okay, that is called hard work. So when you have time now, 3 months extra gap you got, you have to put effort in this. Okay, you have to read things, not only watch videos. Never give up attitude. When you give mock test, when you give test series, you will feel like I'm scoring just 20 out of 100, I'm getting negative out of 100, but still next day you will again pick up the test series, again do it. Okay, or maybe as I told, economic survey or reading, you don't understand anything, but somebody, you will ask doubt, they will tell you, okay, do like this, then again next day you will take up with the like positive attitude, you will again read it. Only such people will sustain, okay, in this full big race, I call it 1 year race it is. Then trust in yourself and your mentor. I already told you what you have, okay, what you believed first, like this is my first impression about this test series is going to make me clear. Okay, even if it doesn't clear, it's okay, because next year you will be much more ready. Okay, next year then little bit current affairs and little bit brushing up if you do, you will be ready for the next year. But that particular year, like now if you have applied October 10th, that date is your like D-Day, and you have to do everything to reach that goal. Okay, don't think about the result, but think whether are you being ready for that. Did you do all the current affairs? Did you do all the subjects? And as I told, being ethical. Simply stealing other big brands materials without paying even the fees and taking from these Telegram groups, such people again are not going to clear. Okay, I'm telling you from experience. People who steal all this 10, 15 institutes and then keep it piling up, they are never going to clear. Okay, in Telegram group, they throw that much junk that student itself get confused. What is better and what is not. Do only the minimal thing, but the one which covers everything. Now, to bring discipline, just 4-5 points. Your wake up time and sleep time. Okay, no matter you're studying that day or not, maybe next day is like an off day for you, a break day for you in your schedule, but still wake up on the same day, same time. If it's 6 o'clock, wake up at 6 o'clock itself. If sleeping time is 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock itself. Okay, use that full day for your fun activity if it's your break day, but still the wake up time and sleep time, fix it. Okay, whichever exam you're preparing for, this will work for you. Okay, you have to do that. Join a test series which you trust. Okay, at least one test series, give your money and buy it. Okay, not Vysh IAS test series, any one test series which you feel like this is better, they have given result, there are proven things in their previous year result. Go and buy that one test series. Okay, and that do it very thoroughly. Other than that, do many other MCQs, many other mock tests, many other all India test, previous year papers, do everything. But one test series, do it very, very sincerely. Okay, which will have a schedule also. Okay, that's one thing I missed. A schedule should be there, not like simply randomly they give you like 50 tests on day one itself, or daily answer writing without even opening the textbook. That won't work. You have to read a textbook, then do a test, then read the next textbook, then do the test. Like that, it should be a scheduled one. Okay, then study many books parallel. Like many students I hear, like they will tell like next 16 days spectrum, then 14 days Lakshmikant, then 20 days science and environment. Don't do like that. Every day have multiple things. Like Lakshmikant, like if you are reading morning 2 hours, 3 hours, read Lakshmikant, or maybe I'll target like 3 chapters. Okay, then in the evening you do 2-3 chapters of spectrum. At the night time, do only previous year papers or maybe one answer writing. So in one day, do multiple things. Okay, like NCERT will be just 1.5 hour, just 2 hours every day. So that if you do only, you will take the syllabus forward. Else 15 days you will keep for spectrum. You will like maybe it is possible to do it in 6 days. But you, because you set it 15 days, you will simply do it very slowly and 15 days you will waste. Okay, total 15 days you are going to waste only. You will think like tomorrow, anyway 5 days are there, anyway 6 days are there. Don't do that. Every day do multiple subjects. Okay. And fun. Now people have these OTT platforms and all these things. And so we are continuously like you watch one episode, then a second episode, because that system is designed like that. When the first episode is getting over, you will see like the second episode is already buffering there and it will open up automatically, even if you don't play the second one. So you get addicted to it and you see like one full night or one full day, you watch one full web series or movies like the day on release itself you want to watch. This and all anyone can do. But if you are a UPSC aspirant and maybe if it's your last attempt or maybe you already failed prelims 2-3 times, you have to sacrifice certain things. Okay, all this you do after October. Okay, or keep a break day like I told in your timetable, like every Sunday is a break day. So every Sunday I will sit and watch all my favorite episodes, all my this thing. I'll do video call with my friends, I'll watch TV, I'll do chatting. This and all you do on a particular decided day, pre-decided day. Okay, not like whenever you feel. And all this is just for 1 year. 1 year who have sacrificed all these things, they are the ones whose name you will see when the final rank list come in the final interview list I'm telling. Okay, prelims and all still some people clear. But after that mains, interview, everything is there. Okay, so only people who have sacrificed this for 1 full year, they have cleared this exam. Okay, don't go by the toppers' speeches when they come in TV. Now this year also they will come. On TV they will tell like it's a very easy journey. I never put any effort. Already test series was there. They'll simply bluff because they have already cleared this exam. Now they'll show off as if it was a very easy journey. Okay, so please don't go by that words. You will see it. Okay, a few days after the interview, the toppers' names are going to come out. That time you will see whatever I told exactly thing will come out. Okay. So we at Vysh IAS, if we can help you or not, already we told you test series is there, but it's your choice whether to follow us or not. Okay, free videos are there, test series, prelims and mains is there, and the revision chart snippet card concept is there, which help you by heart things. And in WhatsApp, you can immediately ask like, sir, is this a printing mistake? Sir, this I read something else somewhere else. You can come and clarify whatever we gave you in the test. Okay, we don't give you spoon-feeded coaching because we, in a timetable, if you go and see, we ourselves are telling you, just go and read the original textbook. Okay, we don't give you any notes. We are asking you to read the original textbook. Okay, we have plans in future. We will make the most genuine lectures, but it needs time. Maybe for 2023 or 24 batch, I'll do that. But now we are doing all test series model. Okay, which is self-explanatory and the test itself is enough for you to clear the exam. Okay, you can see our last 2 years result. Okay, and you can go to our playlist section and do the foundation video first, because I know many people have not even watched it. How much ever we insist them, they'll watch the first 2-3 videos and stop it. There are 20 foundational videos. That alone, if you watch, you will get 100 times more motivated than like you getting now after watching this video. Whatever you're feeling, 100 times more than that, I guarantee, because every video I have made with that much detailing and precision that you will be confident that you will clear UPSC. Okay, so watch that 20 videos. If you don't have the link, come and ask me, sir, foundation videos, just give me. I'll give you 20 video links at one shot. Sit and watch. It will take maximum 2 days, 3 days effort. sit and watch that. Then you yourself will make timetable. You yourself will know what test series to join, what coaching to join, how much hours to study, everything you will know. Okay, optional, newspaper, Rajya Sabha TV, economic survey, everything is covered there. Okay, how to study. I'm not going to give you like what to study or where to this thing. Okay, I'm not giving you spoon-feeded material. I'm telling you how you yourself can find out how to study. Okay, so watch that playlist today itself and contact us, because the time you waste now, you are not going to get back. Okay, somehow a golden bonus you got 3 months. Okay, that means more than 104 days is there. Even today, if you start freshly, you can easily clear prelims, but you need a proper schedule. So for that, if you need our test series, you can contact us WhatsApp. Else you can stop watching this and our series itself. Okay, this video I'll wind up now, because this is just a general thing, because it's 27 June. I thought I'll just talk to you, and in comment section please come and tell me, like, what is your problem, what are you facing. Okay, like prelims is the problem, mains is the problem, or depression, or I'm not able to focus, or I'm not able to write, whatever it is, just put one comment, so that based on that I can make more videos. Individually we cannot focus on each student. Okay, but there will be general thing or common things which is said by the 10-15 students. Okay, like same thing 10 people will tell, like prelims is my problem, MCQ solving is my problem. So comment it. So based on that I'll make more videos on that. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp number, this is the email ID, this is the Facebook ID, this is the YouTube channels. So wherever you want, come and contact us. 2021 or 22, based on which year you are preparing for, send this also, this message content, and I'll give you the needed documents. Okay, to proceed. So I'll wind up this video. Please keep studying. All the best for your exam. Thank you and have a nice day.